Hey, what's up guys? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips, Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. And today's video, guys, our tip is to treat your business like a business, and a very big business. You know, I know many of you out there are like, well, that's not really a tip. Many people should be doing this. However, studies have shown that most people who start as solopreneurs, especially when it comes to online businesses, treat their business not so much as a business, but more so like a hobby, right? You have a lot of books out there, you know, the 4-Hour Work Week and other books like this, where people get this idea that they can kind of on their own leisure work on their business when they want to. And to an extent that is true, guys. But however, if you're somebody out there who is envisioning for yourself being a full-time entrepreneur, right? If you're somebody who looks to replace and supplement your income from your job, be able to walk away from your job and become an entrepreneur, you are not going to be able to approach your business at your own leisure when you want to, when you feel like it, right? You need to treat your business not like a hobby, not a sometime thing when you feel like it thing, when you have time for a thing, but instead you need to treat it like a Steve Jobs had treated Apple, like a Bill Gates treat Microsoft, like Berkshire, like Warren Buffett treats Berkshire Hathaway. This is their life. This is their commitment. Now, I know many of us out there, including myself, I have a family, right? We work jobs, things like that. All understandable. Do what you have to do, but just know that you have to work on your business just as much as you're putting in time and working on those other areas of your life. All right. So with that said, make sure that you're treating your business like a business and a big time business, right? Start trying to implement systems, right? If you're lacking time, if you're lacking a certain resource in time, maybe time or monetary resources, try to create some kind of systems, either where it'll make it easier for yourself, or you can get other people involved with you to help you out, okay? But regardless of how you do it, you have to put as much time and energy and effort into your business as you're doing anything else. And actually, you probably need to put a lot more into it. Now you're thinking, well, we only have 24 hours in a day. I'm doing X, Y, and Z already. How can I figure it out, right? Those people did. The most successful people in the world, the people who are building these businesses, ladies and gentlemen, the Walmarts, the Apples of the world, they don't have all the answers right away, but they either figure it out themselves or they find people who do. So you need to do that as well if you're looking to be a great entrepreneur and build a solid, legitimate business for yourself, okay? So with that said, that is it for this week's Quick Tip Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that if you're not already treating your business as a big-time business, you start to do so starting today. Let's go. Peace.